Excellent. Where do you want to start with? How about some of our best sellers?
Okay, right. So some of our best-selling products are the Orgone pyramids and the Orgone sleeping pods. Now, before I get into these, I just want to say that all of our products have a blend of our special orgonite mix, but also shungite powder. So they're all made pretty much with the same blend.
And in case you're tuning in for the first time, why don't you just tell everybody what is orgonite and what is it used for?
Okay, so orgonite is a composite that is based on a technology of the late Dr. Wilhelm Reich. Now, Dr. Wilhelm Reich, what he discovered earlier in the 20th century is that you can make these chambers, these accumulators made from metal and non-metal layers. Now, when you make these accumulators, which are boxes of these layers, that these boxes are able to bring in energy from the environment, and this energy is beneficial for life. So if you were to put seedlings in these chambers, they found that the seedlings would grow better at a better rate. This experiment has been replicated at universities all over the world. Also, if you were to take things like blood samples and put them in these Orgone chambers or accumulators, the blood sample in the accumulator would be preserved longer than the blood sample in a control wooden box, for example. That too has been replicated and is shown that so these boxes are able to channel this cosmic energy is called Orgone energy. Now, fast forward to today, we don't use alternating sheets of metal and non-metal. What you can do instead is create a composite of epoxy, which is a non-metal plastic, and a metal or conductive material in the form of what people use are like beads, shavings, or what we use is powder. So that's what the technology comes from, and that's why you'll find it either called orgonite or orgone-based products or composites, is because they have this property that the Dr. Wilhelm Reich discovered decades ago.
So what are people using it for today? What are the practical applications for orgonite today?
Okay, so the way orgonite works is because it takes the stray fields from the environment and turns it into a coherent standing field of healthy energy. That's basically what this is. You can use it for a wide range of things. Now, the most important thing that we found that orgonite is being used for are the two main things are problems with chemtrails in the environment. These chemtrails contain heavy metals, among other things, that are traveling in the skies and neighborhoods around the world, and also with wireless energy, specifically dealing with the 5G and similar technologies that come into our homes. And will these harmful fields affect us? Because after all, we're energetic beings also. So what you can use orgonite is to take these harmful stray fields and convert them into beneficial fields that don't impact you as much.
Now we've been making this for about a year and a half, a little over a year and a half, and this, we'll go into another video maybe telling you the story of how we started and everything. But this has really grown, and we've had a lot of customers that have been giving us some wonderful feedback on our products. So that's it for now, everybody. We'll wrap this up by saying that if you want to check out our special offers on our different products, we have all kinds of special offers that are running where you can get some great deals. We ship worldwide.
And you can always contact us through our email if you have any questions about any of our products.
Yep, and if you really wanted to, you can call us as well, because we have a phone number, and leave a message, and we will do our best to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. And we just want to say thank you so much to all of our customers, especially our repeat customers.
Thank you very much.
It's been really, really a beautiful, amazing process to watch how more and more people are learning about how to use orgonite in their lives. They're experiencing the benefits and the effects of the orgonite, and they're coming back to tell us about it. We just wanted to say thank you, and if you have any questions, give us a call or write us an email, and we'll see you next time from Fix the World Morocco. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.